What's up guys, today I'm going to be modding my RK68 keyboard and showing you how you can make your keyboard sound great as well. But first, a sound test. So first up, we got to dismantle this keyboard, and I find it quite a long process, so I sped it up for you guys. I've been using the Acco Jelly black switches, and I love them. I've swapped out those Gatoron reds for these switches, and they sound amazing. Even without lubing, which I found a really long process, they are super smooth and better than the other Acco switches. And these are a really good budget switch, so if you're on a budget, I would go for these switches. They are really good straight out the box. Up, I opened up the keyboard and moved out the PCB to reveal underneath lots of space that I could fill up with just this packing material, just some foam, which I taped together because I didn't really cut it that well. But yeah, there's a really good way of filling up that hollowness in your keyboard. Putting on my super protective gloves, I then found this sound deadening material on Amazon. It's really cheap and really good, and also helps deaden that noise. I then cut it into a few strips and put it into the keyboard, and it sounds really good. I didn't fill up the entire keyboard with this stuff because it does stop the keyboard from being as low down as I would like it to be, as it's medium thick, not that thick though. Next up, I used the Tempest tape mod, adding this tape on the back of the PCB, and as some experienced keyboard users can tell, I don't know much what I'm doing. It's the first time I'm using this mod, but I can say it worked really well. Now was add in those switches and keycaps, and we're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this final sound test. Thanks for watching guys. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.